Hello there. Well, first thing we're gonna do is, the elephant in the room. We need to talk about that. And this is all I have to say. Being from another country, I was amazed that democracy does work, and we have the best thing in the world. Regardless of who won, this has nothing to do with that. But the fact that two people could go at each other so much and no shoes are being thrown, no gas bombs are being thrown, none of that is happening. We disagree, yes, but those are emotions. We all have them. And we're all two-faced, because when we lose, we cry, and then when we win, we glow. And that's humanity. So therefore, number one, I'm happy and proud to be in this country and to be an American now. And the rest of the world has to be jealous of what we have, that we still have it together. We need to keep it together. Okay, that's number one. And number two is congratulations to Doctor. Now he became a doctor. To businessman Donald Trump. I mean, after what he went through, and he deserves it, but whatever. But I think it'll be better for this country. And number three, my wife told me, and we compromised on this. She said, "Shut up and don't mention anything else." So therefore, since women, I respect them, I'm going to shut up and say nothing else. We're going to get to the food. But one thing I could tell you is God bless this country, and God bless all our police officers, and God bless all our soldiers that are risking their lives for no reason but for others. So my wife's looking at me. So I'm going to shut up right there. So let's get back to food. I got really hungry. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to make really fast, okay? We're going to make a little tomato and onion salad. Okay? And I got my onions right here, the red onions like I told you. We got the tomatoes, I cut them up. I got a little bit of fresh oregano that I have outside. And a little bit of pecorino. Then to make the masala, all you need is mushrooms. As far as chicken stock, you can make it when you're doing a lot of things. So if you're like me, that I have more time, I can make a lot of it and stock it. But you know what? This is the best one right here. Okay, you buy something like this. The sodium is very low. Oh, okay. Sodium is not too low. Sodium is 23%. Ironic. Okay, I gotta check these out more. But being that this is organic, we're gonna stick with this for today. When you want to cook fast, like I said, this is comfortable. Over here we have masala. It's a cooking masala. There's other better masalas. This is one of the cheapest ones. It only has 8% sodium, which is great. It gives you the flavor. I ran out of the good masala, so I'm stuck with that. We need chicken and butter. And although the Irish made it tough for me growing up in this country, this is the best butter as far as I'm concerned. And I usually buy butters from Europe or England or something like that, because the cows are not shut up with all that, stuff that they shoot them up with. So let's get to cooking. We got the oil nice and hot here, thank God. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to take the chicken, and I'm not going to put flour on it because I'm trying to lose weight. Okay? What you do is you get the oil nice and hot. You put in the chicken. Now when you do this, especially with the chicken raw like that, it splashes on you. So, but since I do like pain, I'm okay. Okay, this is on high. What we're gonna do is, you know what? I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm just gonna kind of pre-cook this a little bit. Okay, put a little bit of salt and pepper. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the mushrooms in, but I'm going to take the chicken out because I want the mushrooms to brown up nice and brown. Okay, and while we wait for that to brown up, what we're going to do is we're going to take I don't know, I don't speak sign language. Let me tell you what the interruption was. My wife was complaining that I touched the chicken and I didn't touch the tomatoes. I got news for you, okay? Everybody does it everywhere. Don't worry, if you use the fresh, clean stuff, it's not going to be a problem. They're too finicky. But anyway, you get the tomato, you throw the tomato in, you throw in a little bit of onions, a little bit of pecorino romano, and then you throw in a little bit of basil, which I like to have. Diseases come from dirt and no cleanliness. If you're clean and you're touching something, don't panic. You don't need to go wash your hands every 2 seconds. Okay? That's a myth. They scare you on purpose. Okay, so having said that, now here you go. You have a nice tomato salad with onions, and you could, toss it up a little bit, but then it won't look as pretty. Again, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, and don't be afraid. I love it. Okay, and this is all done. With a little loose pecorino. Okay. Mushrooms are cooked. We throw our chicken back in. First you throw in your masala. And when you throw in your masala, you let it cook off a little bit. But you go very smelly. You smell the alcohol coming up. You get the butter. You get a nice chunk of butter. Put it in there. And that's one good thing about using sometimes the cheap masala is because it evaporates right away. And then you throw in a little bit of chicken stock. And all you have to do is let it cook and simmer a little bit. Alright, so let's go over this really quick again. Okay? Tomato onion salad, very simple. Slice onion, slice tomato, a little bit pecorino, basil, boom, you're done in 5 minutes. Not even. The masala. Chicken breast, saute it first. Then you cook the mushroom until it's well done. When the mushroom is well done, you can use whatever mushroom you like. You throw in the chicken back in. You put in your masala wine. You put in your chicken stock, the masala wine, let it boil out a little bit. Chicken stock, butter, and you let it thicken up a little bit. Now, there's 2 ways of thickening this up. I could put a ton of butter and let it get thick, or I could use what's that other thing? Cornstarch. Let me get some cornstarch. What's the cornstarch? It's over there. Okay, here I found some cornstarch. Just put it on the outside. And all depending on how much liquid you have in there, this is what you do. And as you can see, the sauce now is thickening up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this thicken up for 1 second. And I'm going to get some salt and pepper again. Okay. So here we go. See, now it's nice and thick. And cornstarch is a lot healthier for you than flour or more butter. So you gotta, you gotta pick the lesser two evils. I can't help myself. That's just who I am. And for those that know me, you know who I am. And then you decorate it with a little bit, and voila. You have a great meal. It probably took me about 15-20 minutes. And this is a great dinner. Chicken masala. So, whatever you do, whatever choices you make, enjoy life, enjoy food, and always be thankful to God. And like my little girlfriend says on TV, be kind to one another. That's the most important thing. Okay, I love you guys. I love you all. Grandkids, Grandpa was here for this election. Love you guys. Ciao.